Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restart iPad Pro M5. Okay, the process is really easy and I'm sure that all of you can handle it. All we need to do is to use the button combination to perform our restart. We need to tap volume up, volume down, and then we need to start holding the power button until we see the Apple logo. Let me show you how to do it. So volume up, volume down, and start holding the power button. We need to hold it for a few seconds. So simply be patient and keep holding the button. Okay, as you can see, the screen has turned off, and when the Apple logo appears, we can release our finger. Now simply wait until your pad turns on. It will be done automatically. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.